Hey, are you like me and you like to do maintenance on your own equipment and tools? Well, today we're going to talk about how to improve your grease gun. I'm going to show you a great improvement and how to make it a better tool. So keep watching. Hey, and before I forget, if you like what you see today or you find this video useful, the information that we bring you, hit the thumb to let us know that you like it and that we're bringing you the right content, and subscribe. That way you get notified each week of all the content that we bring. Okay, Ray Ruthin here. Welcome back to Woodcrafting Place, where we bring you woodworking knowledge to help you improve your time in the shop to make it more efficient, more effective, and more enjoyable. Today we are talking about the grease gun. Super exciting, I know. Something we all use, anyone who does their own maintenance. Something that looks like this. You're going to want to invest in one of these. It's a locking coupler. Alright, so this is made by Saker, and in full transparency, they did provide it to me free of charge to do a review, but the reviews are mine. I'm strictly doing this so I can give you a good idea. Is this a good addition to your grease gun, or is it just another way to spend $29-30? So here's what your fitting looks like. It has a nice spring-loaded lever for locking. You have steel jaws in there. You can take this off and get access to it and do maintenance on it. Alright, switching it out, real simple. You need the pliers or a wrench or whatever works for you. Vice grips. Alright, so I'm going to cover one important note. When I got this, I noticed that these fasteners here were both pretty loose. So now this is ready to do some greasing. Nice locking mechanism, as you can see right there. And this is not coming out. So I looked on Amazon, the coupling by Saker, you can see it here. Probably about 29 bucks. It good price point compared to some of the others that I saw online. As with anything else, there's pros and cons. And if you're interested in this or any of the items that we review, the links will be down in the comments below. They are affiliate links and they contribute a little something to help manage and keep the channel growing. So I appreciate that. And the cost, it's still the same price. No difference to you, the customer. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed the video or got something from the review of the Saker grease gun coupler. Don't forget, if you enjoyed the video and all my other videos, to hit that thumb and show us that you liked the video and subscribe. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you here again soon.